तो the chances of corruption हमारा कोई ऐसा गाना नहीं था जो हम पुश करना चाह रहे थे, हम कोई सर्टिफिकेशन में ऑल्टरेशन नहीं लाना चाह रहे थे। हमारा प्रोसेस काफ़ी क्लियर और ट्रांसपेरेंट होता है, लेकिन ये कहते हुए मैं ये भी कहूँगी कि इसका मतलब ये नहीं हुआ कि दूसरे जो जाते हैं वहाँ पर कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं। आई थिंक जब भी किसी भी प्रोसेस में ट्रांसपेरेंसी बढ़ जाती है तो द चांसेस ऑफ करप्शन रिड्यूस हो जाते हैं। तो प्रेशर एज एन इंडस्ट्री हमको इसी प्रोसेस पर बढ़ाना चाहिए कि ये प्रोसेस ट्रांसपेरेंट रिमेन रहे। मिडिल मैन का जो प्लेस होता है वो कम कर दे या निकाल दिया जाए, क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि अगर आपको रजिस्ट्रार के ऑफिस से भी पेपर्स निकलवाने हो तो आप मिडिल मैन को यूज़ करते हैं। सभी करते हैं, लीगल लॉयर्स करते हैं, देश में सब करते हैं। तो वैसे ही आई थिंक जितने भी हमारे गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज़ हैं या ब्रांचेस हैं, उसमें क्योंकि बैकलॉग या नंबर्स का इतना प्रेशर होता है विद रिगार्ड द वर्क एट हैंड, इस नज़रिए से अगर हम देखें तो हम समझ पाएंगे कि क्यों, why is there the opportunity or the possibility of such a problem. I think that's what we should really focus on more than anything else right now.
Compared to the male actors of Bollywood, would you like to comment on that? What your thought about it?
Are you surprised by it?
What?
Are you surprised by it? I think there's a very simple logic behind that. The truth is that your male star is the biggest driver of the audience that enters the theatre. And most often, economics are determined by the popularity of the star and the number of footfall that star invites into the theatre. I don't believe it's a male-female power play at all. I really think it's what the audience identifies and chooses as the power play that reflects within the industry. So the real question we should be asking is, why is there a difference in numbers?
इससे जुड़ा आज ही खबर आई थी कि जो जैसे सुपरस्टार की बात हुई तो वहाँ पर भी जब सेंसर बोर्ड में उनकी फिल्में जाती हैं तो वो जो सर्टिफिकेट चाहते हैं उनको मिलता है, चाहे उसमें कंटेंट हो या ना हो। और जो छोटी बजट की फिल्में होती हैं या जो
ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं होता। No, I don't believe, I would refuse to accept that accusation because I think it's a very unfair accusation to make. Like I said, what is imperative for the media to do at this point is to understand why this even happens. Not who is doing it, who is the perpetrator, what is. I think it's always important to understand the cause of the issue because that is the only way you will be able to tackle the issue. While it might be very sensational to explore what are the names involved and how do they play the so-called game, I think what is most important is understanding how the board functions and whether that needs to change.
For the blind people to make a magazine and a radio and spread awareness about braille literacy. How do you think, in your personal opinion, apart from ensuring that people like Upasana and she herself are taking, are the ways to reach the remote areas to spread braille literacy?
There are many organizations that are doing wonderful work in India already. I think the role of the media, and really this is what I meant when I said the ball is in your court now, is that the role of the media will be now to translate this message down to the grassroots level of India. चाहे आप हिंदी पब्लिकेशन हो या रीजनल पब्लिकेशन हो, प्रिंट हो, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया हो, आप ये बात गली गली, शहर शहर, गांव गांव तक पहुंचा सकते हैं कि ब्रेल लिटरेसी उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। राइट टू एजुकेशन एक्ट में विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड भी आते हैं, so they also have a right to education, which means they have a right to braille literacy. And I must say that it is creative people and creative minds like Upasanas and the people who have collectively come together to make this video possible. Whether it is the 18-year-old music composer, whether it is the DOP Raja or the director Upasana Sharat, who's directed this film, written this film, I really think that when you have the heart that beats in the right direction, you can make things like this happen. And that's the heart that I believe the media has as well. So you can take it forward.
Thank you.